Hi and welcome, I'm George Pierce and thank you for watching. This video is about the unboxing of my BOYA, B-O-Y-A. It's a BY-M1 microphone. It's a clip-on mic, and I actually filmed the unboxing, and unfortunately my computer died. I've got it back running at the moment. I'm waiting on a new one to replace it, but this is the box that it came in, and the wrapping and so what was in the box is actually a strange clip that doesn't seem like a balloon, a strange plug-in. If you have any idea what this is for, if anybody does, let me know. As far as I can tell, it just didn't belong there. There is a warranty. It does come with a 1-year warranty. So come of course with the instructions, and the instructions are good instructions, and they're easy to follow because it's really easy to use anyways. You basically just plug it in and use it. It comes with a nice little carrying pouch, and it even has the BOYA name on it. That's kind of nice. And of course the microphone itself comes with a dust cover, and the thing about the dust cover that I found is that it's make sure you put it on all the way, because I didn't put it on all the way and it fell off, so you want to put it on all the way. And the clip is actually a good metal. I don't know if you can see that. It's a metal clip, and it's a pretty darn good one. And I'm going to try to hook myself up here. And presently we're on a microphone. And what I've discovered, said I wanted to go outside because it's beautiful out. And, well, it's spring anyways. Today it's kind of rainy. But I'm going to switch the microphone. And I am now on the Lavalier. Now the Lavalier, I'm on the microphone itself. So the Lavalier mic, the clip-on mic, the Lavalier. Anyway, that's a fancy name for a clip-on microphone. It may or may not stop, but I guess it won't. This is the battery that's included, and it just pops right in. There is a battery that comes with it. The battery was separate with mine. I had to put it in. I thought it might be a pain in the butt to get it in there. No problem. Just going right on in. Then you put this back. Now on your cameras, you would typically turn this on, and on your laptop and smartphone, typically it should be off. So let's see. This is with it off, and now I'm turning it on. So let's see if there's any difference. With it on, I'm trying to talk just a little bit louder, just in case it's not working right. So we'll see how good it is. This again, now I switched it off again. We'll see how that works. So what I'm going to do is review this film for just a moment, get right back with you, and give you my opinion as to whether the BOYA is better or worse or whatever. And you can give me your opinion in the comments. So I'll be right back with you. I'm back outside with the Lavalier. It's weighing me down here, but I have the Lavalier. I'll just get things backwards, and it's on right now. Hopefully you're going to get good volume. I reviewed the film. It looks like the Lavalier is maybe a little bit better, so I'm satisfied or happy to say that. In addition, I noticed that I said dust cover, and of course it's a wind cover. So this little thing over the top there is a wind cover. I do want to thank you for watching. That's my unboxing and review, if you want to call it that, of the Lavalier. I give it a thumbs up. See what you think. So let me know in the comments. And if you like what you see, hit the like button or even subscribe and ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.